Welcome, this problem is taken from LeetCode Weekly Contest. In this problem I use DP concept. So, let's dive in. So let's summarize what we need to do. We need to find subsequence of 2 array. The dot product should be maximum. Dot product is index-wise multiplication of 2 vectors or arrays. You can see the mathematical formula below, which is from Wikipedia. Since we need to form the subsequence from the main array, which is of unequal length, so I could think of it as taking 2 index each from an array. Add the product to the maximum dot product of subsequence before it if that increases the total value. We can use DP since we are looking for the maximum in previous subsequence. We take I and j from 2 arrays respectively and store the maximum subsequence dot product up to that. So initially we set all to some large negative number. We keep 2 rows, 1 for max dot product before the index in arrays and second for the current. So we take 2 from first array. Multiply with each element in second array. We check if the product is largest product in current second array, store it. If it is not first index, then there will be a subsequence dot product. We add to that and check if it greater than current product, store it. If less, then max up to those index will be stored. We then check if previous subsequence is greater than current, then we keep that. Also one more condition: if any index before that gave maximum in current step, then that need to be the maximum. So we add current product with previous step, update with max and current step at end. Next we move the current to previous and continue the loop. Next the element is -1 and it will be checked with all elements in second array. If you want, you can use pen and paper to compute each variable in this step to understand nicely. In this manner we perform the operation and the maximum will always be at the end index.
You can find the link to problem in full code in description. Thank you for watching. Hope you have understood from it. If not, the comment section is open for you.